How to recover Gmail without verification code or password. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily recover your Gmail account if you've forgotten its password without having to enter your verification code or password or even your phone number. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. The first thing that you want to do is open up your Google Chrome, and from here, you just want to search for Google Account Recovery. Once you search for Google Account Recovery, you are just going to tap on the very first link. So this one right here, which has the URL supportbusgoogle.com. Now from here, you just scroll down, and if you have forgotten your password, you can follow these steps to recover your Google account. So once you scroll down, you'll find can't sign in for another reason. So from here, tap on this get help signing in, and it will take you to another page. From here, you can choose you forgot your password. So from here, you don't want to tap on the first link. You just tap on this tips to complete account recovery steps. Tap on that link. Now, click on the first link that you see, that is account recovery page. Now here you just have to enter the account that you want to recover or the Gmail that you remember of your account, and then tap on next. So from here you can use your fingerprint or something that you have set if you want to log in, or you can try other ways to log in, like you can send a verification code at a different Gmail as a recovery mail, or you can just choose to enter your password. Enter the last password that you remember using, and once you do that, it will send you a verification code on a recovery email if you have set it. But if you're stuck on this process, which I'm guessing many people are stuck on this process, what you want to do is open up a new tab, and here you are just going to search for support.google.com. And once you do that, just go ahead and search for support.google.com. Once you do that, you can describe your issue here. So we are just going to type here account recovery, and you are just going to click on this link right here. Now from here, you just don't want to tap anything. Head over to the community tab right on top. And once you get to this tab, you can describe your issue here. So just scroll down and then tap on post a question. So here you can write a short summary of your issue, telling them that you are having trouble logging into your account, and you can briefly explain what happened. And once you do that, you can just tap on next and post this question. And most probably a Google support representative will answer your question here and guide you through on how you can easily recover your account without the verification code, password, and your phone number. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found this helpful. I will catch you guys on the next one.